In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Microsoft Excel. If you're someone who uses Trello to manage tasks and projects but also loves diving into the organization that Excel provides, this video is for you. Connecting Trello and Excel can help streamline your workflow, making it easy to analyze data and track projects from a single platform. So let's get started with the steps to make this integration happen. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Excel on your computer. This might be as simple as clicking on the Excel icon on your desktop, or finding it through your Start menu if you're on Windows, or searching for it in your Applications folder if you're using a Mac. Once Excel is up and running, you'll see the familiar spreadsheet interface. Next, navigate to the Add-ins section. You'll typically find the Add-ins option in the toolbar at the top of the Excel window. Click on it and this will lead you to the area where you can access various tools to enhance Excel's functionality. Add-ins are a great way to expand what you can do with Excel beyond its built-in capabilities, and today we'll use them to connect with Trello. Inside the Add-ins window, you'll find a search bar. Type in Trello to see available options related to Trello integration. After you conduct the search, look for an add-in called Excel Send to Trello. This handy tool allows you to export your Excel data directly into Trello cards and boards seamlessly. Once you spot this add-in, go ahead and click Add. After adding the Trello tool to proceed, simply tap the Next icon. This step will advance the process and prepare your Excel for Trello integration. The next step requires you to sign into your Trello account. This is crucial because you need to authorize Excel to access your Trello data. Locate and click on the Sign into Trello button. You'll then be prompted to click Login, provide your Trello user credentials. After entering your email and password, you might see a notification asking for your permission to allow Excel to connect with Trello. This is a standard step in ensuring your data privacy and security. Click on Allow to grant access and rest assured your data is safe. Now that your Trello account is officially linked with Microsoft Excel, you're all set. This integration is complete, which means you can now effortlessly manage your tasks by sending data back and forth between Trello and Excel. This new setup will save you time and help keep everything organized. And there you go. You've successfully integrated Trello with Microsoft Excel. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials.